welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can apply for the credit card of Barclays. In order to apply for the credit card of Barclays, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice. On the web address bar, type in www.barclays.co.uk/credit card. Now this is going to direct to the Barclays official web page. So on this interface, in order to apply for the credit card, you can see right on top there are a list of tabs. So from the list, you need to go ahead and click on credit card. As soon as you click on credit card, in the left hand side bar, you can see our cards. Under it, there are multiple cards. So these are all the list of credit card that is available on Barclays. In order to apply for it, first of all, you need to go through it and compare each one of it. Only then apply for the best credit card that suits your need. For my case, I'm just gonna go with credit building credit card. So as you can see that as soon as you click on it, you'll be able to see all of these information. So go through it, and if you want to apply for this particular credit card, click on see detail, which will be located right at the bottom. Now once again, you'll be able to see the detail page of this particular credit card. You can go through it, scroll down to the bottom, click on apply now if you're sure about applying for this particular credit card. Now you'll be taken to the application portal page, so make sure to go through it, and once again you can see that you'll need to provide in your detail first of all. That includes your contact information, personal information, your billing address, all that. After that, it's going to take you to the summary page, which means that you have to review all of the information that you've provided. After that, you'll also be asked to provide in important information. Now, if you don't have a bank account of Barclays, then you'll not be able to create or apply for the credit card of Barclays. Over here, you might be asked to provide in your bank details and all that. Go through the terms and conditions on the fourth step, which is also one of the last. And as soon as you've gone through it, you'll be notified with a statement stating that the application has been successfully submitted. All you have to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. So this is how you can apply for the credit card of Barclays. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.